Looking to do something different in your garden? Why not recycle and in fact upcycle some old plastic bottles into incredible plant holders? These ones for a very specific plant. Of course, the idea can be applied to anything, but in this case, the Portulaca grandiflora. It's a rather fine and delicate plant. The succulent foliage stores water well and has a small root zone, and is well suited for this sort of planter. Doesn't take too much in the way of maintenance. So a series of holes burned through in a neat pattern in the bottle. In a series of them, in fact, and then they're all painted down, different colors. And the inspiration for the color should come from your garden, maybe your tastes. Might even depend on what plants you intend to put inside. Now to cut away a section to put most of the plant into and to make it easier to water and care for. Remember to leave holes for drainage as well. In goes the soil. And nice to be able to look through the top of the bottle and see just how full it's getting. Build right up. And here they come. Not yet flowered. One at a time, the clippings poke down into the soil, creating an amazing effect, like a wing of branches. And the more of them that are put together, the more impressive the effect. A little water in the soil, and then on go those caps. A quick spray down and not much more needed for these low maintenance plants. And that's all that's needed to put together these incredible, simple DIY potters. Something different for you to try in the garden this season. What colors will you go with?